All right, guys, what's up? Back here with a short little video. This video is here by popular demand. A lot of you guys had asked me about the LED that I'm running in my dash and center console and whatnot. So this kit consists of a clear plastic housing with a little wedge, and that wedge allows you to fit it in between any trim panel in your car, truck, SUV, or whatever. And this little fiber optic plastic that I'm inserting there is what's going to transfer that light through that plastic housing. And that's going to be powered up by a power supply in your truck or car. In this case, I'm using a 9-volt battery just to show you guys how it lights up and how the light is transferred. Preferably, if you guys could use a 12-volt battery source in your guys' cars, then that'd be the best bet because it's going to give you the best illumination. It is a 12-volt source, so anything less than that, the light might be a little bit dimmer. And there are a variety of colors in these lights. These LEDs are offered in like green, purple, red, and so on. So anyhow, today we're going to be installing this LED strip on my door panel. This is the last piece I needed on my truck. So what you're going to do is kind of just wedge that plastic housing in wherever you're going to install it. Just try not to bend it or kink it or mark it up because it will show. Once the light is illuminated, you will see the imperfections. So just be gentle with it and just kind of route it in a natural position. And this corner here was actually a kind of a tight turn, so I didn't want to bend it because once you bend it, the light's not going to transfer through. So I'm just going to kind of tuck it in and out from the back side of the door panel. All right, now that I have the LED strip already mocked up, the next step is going to be heat shrinking the LED onto the fiber optic. You want to make sure that the fiber optic is seated all the way in, making contact with that LED strip to have the best illumination possible. Any separation, it's going to create a dullness. So I already have that fiber optic inserted into the housing. So I'm heat shrinking it now. You don't want to apply any excess heat or you will melt that heat shrink. I added a piece of electrical tape just to kind of hold the heat shrink with the fiber optic, just so that way it doesn't slide out, just for cheap insurance. Now that I have everything mocked up, I'm using the 9-volt battery just to make sure that the light is illuminating the way I want it to and make sure there's no imperfections. So this is just a quick little test before I install everything. So I'm going to go ahead and tap into my daytime running light harness. A ground signal from the main switch harness. If you guys don't have the daytime running light kit installed, you could use any ignition 12-volt source. That way you get the best illumination possible.